Hello everyone, in this video we'll be talking about this description list and what is that. So actually we have covered ordered and unordered list in the previous videos, but in this video we'll be talking about the description list. What is that actually? So description list is created for only showing the description of a particular list item. For example, if I want to create a normal list in a description list, so I'll be using the DL tag. So just like the UL, OL, and then there is the DL tag, which stands for description list. Then we have DL closed, and then we have a single DT item. So DT stands for data description, data title, and in here I can write anything I want or any list item I want, just like the LI. I can write, let's say, coffee. I can close that. So similarly, I can write an ice cream. So I can write ice cream here, let's say. And if I see that, so there will be no much difference here. You can see it isn't just a normal list without any bullet. But we have one more thing in here. If I want to specify some description of this coffee, for example, I have different types of coffee. So I can specify that in a DD tag, which stands for data description. So I can write DD here, and inside that I can specify the description by adding a minus symbol. That will be looking cool, but we can leave that if I want. Let's add it. Okay. So we have different types of coffee. Let's say we have mocha, and I can close that DD. We have Americano, let's say, and if I save that, I didn't created this DD or the single DD items in the DT, but instead after the DT tag. So it will act as a nested item for this coffee. You can see that it is just like a nested list in earlier ones, but it is much easier than that. So we create this description list to show the description for a particular heading of particular list item. If you have some description, so we can specify that after specifying the T tag, we can specify a DD tag. Inside that, we can specify the description of this particular item or this particular list item. So this is how we actually create a description list. Similarly, we have different kinds of description list. If we want that for this one as well, so I can do that for this one. Let's say butterscotch, and I can close that. So this DD will automatically be indented. That's why we use this DD tag, because it is automatically taking some indentation after we specify that DD. So we don't have to add any indentation, it is automatically taking up that. That's why we use it for showing the description of a particular list item, which is easier than creating a nested list in unordered or ordered list. If you want that, so you can also do that as well. So this is the easier approach we do with description list. So this is it for this video. I hope you got something about the description list. And if you have some issues, so you can comment down. We'll definitely solve that. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in the another one.